construction crew working in the Ski Island neighborhood spotted smoke, ran to investigate, and found this: flames shooting through the roof.
We got a water hose from the next door neighbor. It was catching on the grass.
Look at the lower right-hand corner of your screen. You can see Kamal Corey with the garden hose.
It was kind of terrifying. It was a heavy smoke in my eyes, and it was heavy burn on my face.
The fierce flames quickly overtaking every inch of the garage. Cowrie, realizing he could not save the home, moved on to the home next door, banging on the front door and getting out a woman and her child.
Just happened to be here at the right time, the right place.
The towering flames turned to thick smoke with the spray of a firefighter's hose. But it was too late to save a dog inside. A cat, now missing, may have also died. The homeowner was at work when she got the news her home was in flames. While rushing to the scene, her day got worse.
The occupant of this house was involved in a car wreck.
Investigators still aren't sure what started the fire. Kim Passock, KOCO 5 News.